I cook the spiciest meal ever. Whoever on my crew eats the most will walk away with an unlimited budget towards the computer of their dreams. This is Vikram, Ulysses, Kendrick, Kevin, Pano, and Evan. What are you gonna do, Ulysses, if you win a PC?
Technically, I don't know what a PC is.
I would play Boku no Natsuyasumi.
Got it? Baki Mami.
I'm gonna buy Skyrim again.
This could be a supercomputer and you're like, I'm gonna play Skyrim.
And I'll maybe start winning games and get out of the bronze rank once and for all.
I don't play video games, I don't know what that means.
I'm gonna give it to my wife.
I'm coding 10,000 bots on Twitter to tweet at Hezbollah so he finally will recognize me.
The crew seemed ready, but it was time to begin my prep. To create the spiciest meal in the world, you need the spiciest peppers in the world. We're at the hottest pepper farm we can find in the state of Texas with pepper expert, Jeffrey Baker. He showed us all the levels of spicy.
70 varieties, culinary inspired, just for hot sauces.
The goal here, we have 4 courses. How do I maximize the spiciness?
The heat's gonna come. You probably should start by trying a couple of those, seeing what you want to build up to.
What is the hottest pepper that you think you have?
The T-Rex Dragon's Breath. This gnarly bastard is Scoville charted at 2.4 million.
Carolina Reapers are like the ones that people are always like, oh.
For normal mortals, they're that.
It's a big piece.
Well, only half of it, Nancy.
It's time for me to try some of these myself. Couldn't be that bad, right?
I think it's the hottest one on the planet. Vibrancy, a little citrus notes, great for your first course.
You guys are This is Kevin's at the end of this. So Jeffrey got us a bag of his spiciest peppers, and then it was time to get slanging. We're starting off with a fried cauliflower and a romesco sauce. It's not spicy, a little bit. Blender, roasted red pepper, garlic, toasted almonds, tomato paste, smoked paprika, a little cayenne, you know, gotta get a little spice. Sherry vinaigrette, salt to taste, and blend. A little water to loosen, blend. While it's blending, olive oil to emulsify. Look at that, Vic, come on, forget about it. Touch more vinegar. All right, romesco is done. Now we're gonna fry some cauliflower. Break it into florets or whatever you want. Into the oil, drain into a bowl. A little bit of finishing salt, lemon juice, toss. Sauce in the center, and your cauliflower. More salt and lemon zest. Course 1, complete. Course 2, we're turning up the heat. This is Budae Jjigae. It's Korean army stew, and it's really good. Order and pestle. I got 20 bird's eye chilies. We'll go with 9. Take out their stems. No, we should do 10. This needs to knock some people out. Now I'm just gonna break them down a little bit. What, are you gonna grind whole chilies? Come on. Work harder, not smarter. Wait, no. Into your mortar and pestle. Garlic, break that down. We'll start with these. A little bit of salt to help break that down. Garlic, and more salt. Break that down, break that down. Woo! Pepper paste done. Got our pot. The chili paste goes in here. We bit of gochugaru, gochujang, shuggy woogie, mirin, soy sauce, mix. Slice, tofu, slice, shiitake mushrooms, slice. We got some little gnocchis. Cut the base off. My little children. I'm gonna cook them up and eat them. Kimchi, just rough chop. Now we're gonna assemble this all in the pot. Mushi womb, gnocchis, kimchi, spam, tofu, like a little garden of flavor. Right in the middle, add our sauce, all of it. Beef stock, heat on. Boil 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, I'm gonna raise that up. Instant ramen noodles, a little bit of rice cake, and hear me out, American cheese. 2 slices. And finally, some nice green onion. We're gonna boil that uncovered for 4 minutes. Once the noodles are soft, it is done. Course 3, 7-pot gochujang chicken. Now, why do they call it a 7-pot?
You can make 7 pots of stew from one of these peppers.
Chicken drumsticks, wings, salt, a little bit of sugar, fresh grated ginger, toss, little massage, go to sleep. Chicken's done. I was gonna do this with ghost peppers. We don't have any. That was my bad when I was picking. But we do have 7-pot chilies, which are very similar. They're about 1 million, 1.25 million Scoville. Garlic, toasted sesame oil, wee bit of honey. Now we need to add extra chili to combat this. You add sweetness, you add vinegar, that cuts down the heat. A little bit of ketchup. What, ketchup? Yes, gochujang, and soy sauce. I don't know how many 7-pots to add. Maybe we should add like 3? Well, I can smell it and I'll tell you. Vikram, what do you think?
Ooh, I don't know.
1, 2. Kendrick wants me to. All right, Kendrick. I'm only doing what Kendrick asked. 21 pots. I'm good. I think it needs 1 more. Get that out of your blender. Sauce is done. Now we bread, flour, cornstarch, and you whisk. A wee bit of salt to that. This one's for Uncle Roger. A little bit of MSG, all right? Whisk, baking sheet, and we got our breading set up. Start with the wings. They go in, flour in there, brother. Once they're coated, place to the side. I hate the feeling of cornstarch. It's like all squeaky. We're sitting at 320 Fahrenheit. Par fry, 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, we're par cooked. You pull these out, drain them. They're going back in. Drop your next batch, pull those out, and then just increase it to 375 Fahrenheit. Now we're going hotter to make it crispier. I mean, literally just refry your chicken. Woo! Once those are golden brown like that, good lord. Dump them into a bowl. Got roughly half our chicken. We're gonna add in half your sauce. Toss. That just looks spicy. Here you smell this? I'm good. And that is your 7-pot gochujang wings. We're using the hottest peppers on planet Earth, Dragon's Breath,
It's the hottest one on the planet.
and chocolate Maruga Scorpion. Chuck roast. I'm gonna cut it to nice 1-inch pieces. Small tray, beefin'. First we make our curry paste, cashmere chili powder, cumin seeds, all of which are toasted, coriander seeds, fenugreek, cloves. Recipe is on the website. Consume at your own risk. Cardamom, cinnamon, shuggy woogie. Yeah, it's loud, but that's okay. A little bit of black pepper. You know what I just realized? I have to taste this. Bon voyage. We're using all of the Dragon's Breath chili that he would allow us to have. Stem off. Oh boy. Now for the Maruga. 1, 2. Yeah, we'll pause there. Garlic, a lot. I want it to taste good. Ginger, distilled vinegar, wah. It's gonna be running. Close your eyes. Pretty nervous. Why am I so scared of this? Holy sh**. It's really actually, it's not that bad. The vinegar tones it down a lot. Should I put another chocolate Maruga in there? That should do. Oh boy. Maybe I didn't need the chocolate scorpion or whatever it is. That's up. It genuinely feels like someone's pushing needles through my tongue. So anyway, marinate your beef. Oh, come on now, we gotta get all that out of there. See, look at all that. I don't know if this is warm from blending or let this marinate. Now we make our curry sauce. 1 white onion, very finely. Chop that. Can you hear the gist of the bacon? I mean the breath of the, wow, my tongue's up. You guys are I would not eat that. Simply, I would not. Grated ginger, garlic, finely chopped. Got a little braising pan. Gonna add some ghee or clarified butter. Keep it on medium. Veg in, salt to taste. See, Vikram, doesn't that smell nice and not menacing? That's starting to soften. Add in our tomato paste. Once those soften, beef stock a little bit. And we're gonna boil that just until it's super soft. Once that's done, yes, this still has debris in it. Into your blender. And we're just gonna blend until smooth. Back into the pan, the rest of your beef stock, and then marinated beef from the underworld. Last but not least, get it? Curry leaves. I still feel like it's not gonna be spicy enough. Oh boy, it went to the back of my throat. Once this comes up to a simmer, lid on and into a preheated oven. 375, thank you. After 2 hours, you pull it out. I know this is gonna be very spicy. Or maybe not. It did reduce quite a bit. Look, this is the final course. It needs to be spicier. We're bringing out the big guns. This is pure capsaicin extract. 9 million Scoville. All right. I mean, look at it, it's like blood red. I feel like we're doing a bad thing. Oh! Yeah, that's, okay. I can't breathe. That is a lot, that's it. That's our final course, curry from hell. Oh my God, good luck, on to the challenge. Now that I had completed all 4 courses, it was time to round up the crew. And to do so, I had the help of my handy newly available apron with deep pockets and a crossbody strap that helps alleviate that nagging neck pain. And those straps happen to be removable. Available now, links in the description. Duck your head, sir, all right, and get on in there. All right, good job, all righty. Okay, bye. Wait, Kyla, why are you here? This is a fun thing Vikram and I are doing.
I'm Vikram's wife.
Damn, all right.
I get ice cream after this, right?
Yeah. Here are the rules. Each dish gets spicier than the next. You must complete the dish in order to move to the next round. If you break and you drink milk or you throw up, you're disqualified. Last man standing wins. Let's begin. Course 1. Gaga.
No, I'm good.
That is good.
Doesn't look spicy.
You judge things by a cover?
I do.
Well, that's phenomenal. What's in that? That's really good.
These nuts.
D's nuts tastes phenomenal.
It's cold, by the way.
That it is. I love cauliflower.
I've never had cauliflower before. It's the first time.
What the f?
Date night food. Check the recipe later.
Got a little tang to it, a little punch.
Ulysses, did you know that cauliflower comes from the lemon family?
No, I did not.
It does.
It's great.
Oh, this was a competition.
Yeah, this is no problem.
Sometimes when I drink Dr. Pepper, I'm more taken aback, so
All right, well, I need another.
it's nothing I can't handle.
If there's only 4 rounds and this is the first one, I'm a quarter of the way through and I feel like this is a walk in the park.
Course 2.
Thank you.
Yummy, yummy in my tummy.
No one told me we were doing this today at work.
It literally looks like a kid's, Jesus.
I don't know what this is. Not at all.
This is very good.
This is delicious.
Could I have some more, please? It's not super intense, it's bearable.
But it's almost like I like the burn. 4.5 to 5 out of 10.
5.5 out of 10.
It's about a 4 on the spice level, out of 12.
It's a good too.
I would say a 2.
What?
I'm very much enjoying it.
I'm gonna say it, Josh. It might be too easy for me.
Let's pray to God you don't make it to sudden death.
I'm gonna go eat more.
I got this.
Thank you.
You'll notice that on this course, our medic decided to enter the room.
Thank you.
So this is actually the most sauced one that I found.
No one told me we were having chicken. I just got really excited.
How do you feel?
Not good. This is,
Oh, suddenly his heart has changed. What?
I feel great. I feel
right.
better than I've ever
That's
felt.
right. The one thing I will say is when you're eating these, do not swallow right away. You know, try and just, it's better if your tongue is hot. You struck in this. You can finish, I mean, that's fine. That's allowed. That's a legal move. It'll be a illegal move when it comes out though.
Sit in it for a minute.
What are you feeling right now? What are you thinking?
Oh, I feel it now. Woo!
I feel it in my brain.
Oh, it's like coating my tongue.
I feel good. Not as great as I was feeling earlier. It increases over time.
Started at a 6, now it's at a 7.
It's still getting hotter in my mouth right now.
This is gonna come out the other end hurting.
I think it's settling at a 6.
It's getting up to like an 8, 8.5.
Oh boy.
Oh, but it's hitting me in different ways every second.
We're not at a 4.
No, absolutely no way.
What can I say? I'm a winner. Winners win. I did get very hot. Now I gotta take my sweater off.
Oh my goodness. All
Is
right.
there more?
I'm taking a beating a little bit, but I'm feeling good. I think I can make it. This is getting interesting, I will say that.
This is the 9.
I'm waiting for that spice that they're talking about.
It burns like I'm sweating. That Kevin guy, he's a wuss. He's going down.
I will not tap out. I will not tap out. Thank you.
I finished this, and I'm gonna take that as a dub.
Good sportsmanship. Milk time. Call the milkmaids. Here we go.
I'll move on to the next round.
What?
Bring me on to round 4.
Look at the sheen on his forehead. Bet this cake pop would really make you feel good right now.
I gotta get this chicken out of my braces. It's stuck in there and it's burning the out of my mouth.
I wish we had cilantro because this looks like a turd. This is the final round.
I can smell it from here.
Jesus Christ.
1 sec.
I appreciate our medics stepping like a few steps closer for this one.
For throw up.
I feel it.
Talk about a mounting burn.
It's starting to sweat.
My God.
This is so good.
Evan, chill out, bro.
Wow.
My braces burned. My mouth is on fire.
One person out.
Are you gonna finish this?
I was thinking about the car ride home.
My mouth isn't so bad, it's my head.
Kevin, how are you feeling right now?
Great.
Evan is a psychopath. I don't know why Evan is doing.
Give me a sec. I'm vibrating. Kevin, if you make it to the second round, I make it to the next round.
One more bite.
No, man, I'm never making it to 2 plates. Oh, boy.
All right, Pano.
Another sip for me.
We took an L. Hasbro, I hope you see this. This one was for you.
Ulysses' food is starting to hit me. I can still eat more. Bring it on, Kyla.
I am pretending to find it hot.
This is sudden death. The hottest peppers on earth. Whoever eats the most wins.
He really doesn't want us to go to the hospital.
$500 to tap out.
But I really want that computer.
Gotta play Skyrim again.
Cheers.
You don't have to do this. Oh my God. Oh. Kyla,
If you don't chew, you can't taste it.
I'm scared.
I got 2.
1,000 to tap out. 15 seconds to tap out for 1,000 and then the 1,000's gone. Evan, how?
I'm gonna take the 1,000.
We gotta win! Let's go!
I have $1,000.
Evan, congratulations. Now let's go get a supercomputer. I decided to be nice and add on an apron. Don't forget the links in the description. We just released this. How do you feel?
I don't feel good.
Good, because you have 10 minutes to build the PC of your dreams. Let's go.
I know absolutely nothing about computers. Hi, I have 10 minutes to build the perfect gaming computer.
Do you know what you're looking for?
No.
There you go. Storage. Motherboard, $699 or $1,000.
Let's go. Can I get that one?
One of the 3080s.
More expensive.
This is unfair.
Want an ultra wide?
Oh my God. That's
Everything in 10 minutes. That's not bad. $7,000 in 10 minutes. That's up top. That's up top. Good work, Evan. You deserved it. Maybe you should set this up in front of a toilet, all right?